Check it out, guys. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. This is the action figure by NECA Toys from the old school video game. How old school? Well, if you guys remember Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the game, the old school game, he was completely green. There he is right there, guys. All green. He is weird looking, but I had to get him. Green chainsaw. And the Texas Chainsaw Massacre logo. Let's look and check out the back. Here's the back. I'll zoom into that, and you guys can pause the video and read it if you like. I believe these are actual pictures of the video game. Awesome. They make these boxes look like old school, you know, old school looking boxes. I really like it. And yeah, I'm going to open it up and show you guys Leatherface up close. Check him out, guys. Leatherface. He is all green from the video game. Green chainsaw. It is kind of a little bit hard to get him to hold the chainsaw correctly, but there he is right there. Very cool figure. This is actually cloth. You can actually take it out if you want, but I'm not going to do that because it's nice and tied back here. The head moves. Hello. The head moves back and forth. Not so much up and down, but back and forth. The tie is about the same material as the apron. Let's get the chainsaw off of his hand for now. Let's look at the chainsaw, shall we? It's all green. It's very flexible. This area might break a little bit, so you gotta be careful when you put the chainsaw on him. Okay. Just like any NECA action figure, these hands move. Nice flexibility. You know, his arms move. His feet move from left to right. Just like the Jason one that I showed you. There's his crotch right there. But just a look of what you see under here. It's just a shirt. Just like that. Nothing special. His feet do move. They go up and down. He's got his knees right there, so you can make him. You can actually make him get on his knees if you want to. You know, or now it just looks like he's jumping in the air or something. But this is I really like these NECA toys. They have awesome movement, and you can make him stand anywhere. I mean, you can make him do anything you want. You know, awesome flexibility with the waist. Very cool. And notice he's a bigger guy, and I'm happy that it shows that he's a bigger guy because Leatherface was always a bigger guy. It's like a chubby guy. He does have a belly. You can see that. That's awesome. This has really awesome detail for an old school video game look. Really cool. I like him a lot. Let's have him hold the chainsaw one more time. You know what? He could just hold it by the handle. Just like so. Alright, guys. Oh, and he fell. Come on, guy. You got some killing to do, right? Alright. Here it is, guys. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Leatherface. He's ready to go. He's got his chainsaw and he's ready to find some college kids. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And now I'll see you guys later.